Hello, hi everyone, how do you do? I trust that you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is WANJIRA and my channel name is Bloom with WANJIRA. So today we have a hair situation, and I was trying to think of a hairstyle that I can wear for the next 1 week. I was going through tutorials by different artists on YouTube, and I happened to stumble on a wash go routine that I would want to try out. So unfortunately I was not able to get the products that they had recommended. I can't remember the name of that YouTuber, though there's a series of tutorials done on how you can wash and go by simply curling your hair using a curl activator and eco styler gel. Yeah, so fortunately enough for me, I have eco styler in the house, and as I went to town I bought Venus curl activator. So I'll be shampooing my hair, conditioning my hair as usual, and after that I'm going to use the curl activator gel plus the eco styler gel and let it just sit in my hair and see how it's going to turn out. Watch through the video, and I'm quite curious on how it's going to turn out, because you see, this is not something that I have ever done, so it's a trial and error thing, but I'm hoping for the best. I love that once I shampoo my hair, it does not really tangle too much, because when I use other dry shampoo, I feel my hair has become frizzy. I feel that my hair has become dry. It's like it strips off all my natural oils from my hair, but this one is quite good, so it's a bonus to it. I think I bought it for like 650 shillings. TCB Naturals. Last time when they were doing my hair, they used Mi Color. TCB Living. I don't know if you can be able to see it. Yeah, there you go. So I will shampoo 3 times. After shampooing, I will apply the treatment or the conditioner on my hair, and after that I will show you. Don't touch that dial. I'm going to be back with my wet hair, already shampooed, already treated. No, I might do the treatment here so that you can see. The first time as you apply shampoo on hair, it does not really rather well. Yeah, so after I was done, I rinsed the first time, the second time, the third time using shampoo, and then I just rinsed all traces of the shampoo on my hair. Yeah, I know now the quality. Eco styler, Venus curl activator, my water bottle, improved water bottle, my Afrocom, my elastic band. This one, they are not ideal. I'm only using these because I don't have section clips and my hair is very shrinked. So these ones will help me secure them so that I can be able to work section at a time. My telecom for sectioning. Yeah, so I think the first thing I need to do is I have my Curl Activator. Smells like heaven. This is the Venus Curl Activator with argan and olive oil. It smells heavenly. I bought this at $2.50. I don't know how much it is at Nairobi or in towns near you. And I have this Eco Styler. This Eco Styler, it's like 2 years old, almost running out. Let me check the expiry. Where do they write the expiry of this product? I can't see anywhere. But anyway, let me just try and see how things are going to work out. So from what I saw, you need to work on a small section at a time. So what you do, you take your Curl Activator gel, then you apply it on the hair. Take your time, take your time. Then now what I need to do is use kidogo of the Eco Styler on the hair. Wow, awesome. Then I go to the next section. I take my Curl Activator, put it on the hair. You have to be patient. Then I take my Styler, just have a look at it. What do you think? Okay. I'm back. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. What do you think? I'm done with 2 parts. Now I have these. Yeah, and I'm really sweating because I have put my fan on. We are all done after 4 hours. 4 hours of sitting down. Yeah, cause 3 hours actually. I think I started around 6:30, and I started. I started curling the hair about 3 hours ago, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, but what can I say? I love it. I love it. I just hope that the curls are going to stay like this for a longer time, because currently I just want to do a turban all over it. It's quite messy. It's quite messy, as you can see. My hands, they are all greasy, and but the curls are popping. Curls are popping, and I have noticed if you do this gently, it defines your curl further and better. Yeah, just like small rotation on the hair, like that. So see you tomorrow as I wake up and we see the final look and the versatility of the hair, if I can be able to design it into different hairstyles. But so far so good, so far so good, so far so good. Yeah. Bye.